are discussing with management and governance services. We worked with EC2 dashboard. By now, we understood how to launch EC2 instance. We worked with load balancer yesterday. Then we have understood what is LT, launch template. Previously, it is called as launch configuration group. Now it is called as LT. And the third one is related to auto scaling. Let me pull out the diagram, which we have used yesterday. You have understood what is load balancer, what is the nature of load balancer. Basically, it's routing the traffic to server 1 and server 2. And based on what? Port number, based on target group health check. When somebody is feeling well, we send some person. We'll ask somebody to come. When somebody is not feeling well, how do you send somebody to talk to him or to discuss something? No, right? Same logic goes here. And on the addition to the same, what we are going to do is same. We are going to discuss from the application load balancer perspective. From there, we'll move on with the network load balancer. Then we have a time, then we'll discuss about EFS. First, we'll move on to the notes. First, I'll start with the theoretical notes for these topics. Let's go to my repository. Yesterday, we were working with application load balancer. Application load balancer is layer 7 load balancer, means OSI model. Open system interconnection, which is OSI model. I'll take you to the images. I'm looking for the best image where you can easily understand the things there. I think this is the best image. We were accessing yesterday. Yesterday, we were accessing web application. How? With the help of cloudbinary.in. How it is possible? The first thing is we bought a domain. Second thing is we went to all the way to AWS, and there we created a hosted zone. Whoever has missed the story, again, I'm repeating the story so that you can connect your dots if you are not understood. So we were registered the domain name, a name with a vendor. That name we created a hosted zone under Route 53 and go inside of the hosted zone. The moment you create a hosted zone, it will create a name service. These 4 name servers you should copy to your domain registrar. In our case, GoDaddy. We have registered there. And then we created a record. Here is a record. Also, we have learned how to create a SSL certificate. We created a certificate, we added a certificate here to get the log. And we created a record name called cloudbinary.in. If somebody search with this name in the browser, please understand, it will be pointed to a record. That a record is what kind of routing it is? Simple routing policy. It is pointing to whom? A load balancer. This is a load balancer we created yesterday. Copy. I checked with name. Says it's down. Why it is down? Yesterday we stopped the instance. Next. Under this load balancer, there is a listener. Under this listener, there is a target group. Under this target group, there are 2 targets. We stopped 2 targets yesterday. That's the reason you're getting 503 service temporarily unavailable. If you start the service, you will get the content here. Understood the flow? Now, what are we trying to do here? We are accessing a browser. We are looking for something, right? That's called layer 7. Application load balancer is a layer 7 load balancer as per OSI model. Your router, layer 3. Transport layer, layer 4. Sessions, presentation, physical layer. That's why we connect LAN card. And MAC addresses, data layer. These are the 7 layers. This is called OSI model. If you're non-technical background, no need to work. Just understand this diagram is enough.